Was a good game, good day. Close game. It was a tight game between Team A and Team B and C.
Just us in 3.
It was wet.
1, 2, 3. Just us. Sabay para maganda sa video.
Just us on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Just us! What's up guys? Sunday morning. And then papunta kami ng basketball ngayon. Kasama ko yung anak ko syempre, of course. My son Gideon right here. Hello! Yeah! So kasama natin yung tropang banda ng Bay Area. Magpapapawas lang ulit kami. And as usual, barbecue after. Ganun lang dito. Problema namin, it's raining. It's been raining all week. So hopefully it stops. Pero nasa gym naman kami, so okay lang yun. Diba? Diba? Siyempre, kakampi natin sa mga panahong ito is Gatorade. Lalo na sa mga thunders na katulad ko. I'm gonna try to keep up and catch up with the kids later. Pero, hinahinay lang tayo, baka mapilayan tayo eh. Ano lang tayo, papawis lang tayo. Hindi na tayo pwedeng makipag-compete dyan. We're all about exercise and health. What can you say? Yes. Yes.
A few moments later.
Fail. Dito kami sa court. Sa outside. Fail yung booking. Nagkaroon ng problema. So, bad trip. Pero internal na lang yan. In the meantime, enjoy na lang muna bago kami mag-barbecue. Nobody's running though. Get a different ball. This is a dry run. Dry run only. Dry run.
Wet run.
Wala. Wet run. It's a wet run.
Hindi siya dry run, wet run.
Tuloy pa rin. Kahit na umulan. Wala eh. Oh. Yun! Seryoso yung mga bata. Yun, eto na, seryoso na. Tumatakbo na eh. Yun. Yun. Seryoso yung mga bata oh. Ayan na, nagubad na to. Seryoso na to. Ayan, pinapawisan na sila Jed oh. Pinapawisan na. I know, seryoso na.
You missed it?
You had 2 chances. Ooh. Nice. Hey. Diretso mo Kaloy.
Seryoso ka na baga?
Yeah. Diretso mo na please. Bago pa naman yung sapatos. Palitan mo na lang mamaya. Seryoso na. Tingnan naman dito. Yun.
Oy! Ganon mo nun? Ganon?
You guys are not scoring, huh?
No, we are.
Hey! Stress. Yupo. May play. Are, mga follow up. Laro na ba tayo? Seryoso na eh.
Tights, they need us.
So you're gonna break your slipper. Amazing.
I know.
Yes.
What happened to G?
Yung usual ano namin. Tawag dito? Grill Master. Yun, oh.
Pagkakain lang. Ha? Matabang?
May upuan dito sa loob. May table. Okay naman, hindi maalat. Wala nagbo-vlog ngayon, tapos nabablog nyo. Kasi wala nangyari.
Yun nga eh. Yun nga si, wala pa
Hindi sila makapag-vlog kasi
Bad trip.
Sorry guys.
mga frustrated kami ngayon, so iinom na lang namin. Mga frustrated kami ngayon.
Jay, where are you?
Thank you, sir. Okay, shot mo na.
Shot.
Sad.
Everyone, sorry again sa...
Yung pala yun. Kaya pala may speech.
Babawi kami sa inyo.
It's okay.
Bawi na naman sa kain.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Salamat sa steak.
Cheers guys. Thank you guys.
Salamat na lang sa lahat.
Cup? Talagyan mo ng sauce. Yung ginawa ko sauce. Mga children, hindi ko nabibili.
Hindi muna, parang may choice ah. Hindi muna ngayon.
What's in ninyo?
Niya.
Yeah.
Wala ka pala eh.
Yes.
For the successful game earlier.
My goodness gracious.
For the successful game earlier.
Shoot me in the head.
It's gonna be a funny story.
Grabe, ang haba. Ang daming episode.
Stay safe, people of the Philippines.
Guys, again.
One.
Nakanang! Ngayon, hindi ko matulak sir. Nakatama siya yun.
Katarantaduhan siya. Oh,
Wala naman pala mababuhay.
gago lang.
No, seryoso. Hindi kami nakapaglaro. Hindi mo nararamdaman yun.
Nice game, guys. Nice game. Nice game.
1-0! 1-0!
Nice game. Good game, guys. Good game. eh.
Sorry na, nakikinig ka ba? Malamang sawa ka na sa ugali kong ito na ayaw magpatalo pa. Sirang tambutso na hindi humihinto. Sorry na talaga, but I'm crazy. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here?
Lagyan mo ng ano? Nag-jet?
I don't belong here.
Ito, ito. Shrimp?
I don't care if it hurts.
Oo.
But I have control. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, oh, she's running out the door. She's running out the door. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong. Today was gonna be the day I go back to you.
Ay, sorry.
But now you should have somehow realized what you got to know. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I feel about you now. Said baby, you're the one that saves me. After all, you're my wonderwall.
Subbakilaw.
Yun. Sarap.
Ano? Si Bichi.
Walang pakailanganan dito, Ken.
Kanya yung trip to. Nangingilam ka na naman
Nangingilam ka
eh. Nangingilam ka eh.
Ikaw kumuha ng pagkain.
Ako ang pagkain mo. Nangingilam ka eh.
Pero bagay mo. Saan na sila? May bulat.
24 steak.
Oo. Pati instrumento eh.
Welcome sa vlog ni Galo. Actually, kanina pa welcome.
Hindi ko ito iba-vlog. Personal ko to kasi di tayo natuloy.
Kaya sorry.
Kulit eh.
Sorry.
Hindi dinadana. Sa isa't isa.
Ay. Parang puro ako yung kumakain sa mga...
Was a good game, good day. Close game. It was a tight game between Team A and Team B and C.
Just us in 3.
It was wet.
1, 2, 3. Just us. Sabay, pa. Para maganda sa video.
Just us on 3. 1, 2, 3. Just us!